To solve a system of equations using the addition method, you need to write both equations so that all variables are on the same side of the equal sign. Line up your x's and your y's. Add both equations together, but only if one variable goes away. If needed, you can multiply everything in one equation by some number so that the coefficients of x, or y, are exact opposites. You may need to multiply both equations by different numbers, like when you're getting a common denominator to add fractions. Then solve for the other variable, put that answer back into the original equation, and find the value of the other variable. Here's a worked out example. The two equations were x minus y equals 5 and x plus y equals negative 1. If I add the two equations together, y's go away. I solve for x and get 2. Then I put this answer 2 back into either one of the equations. I chose to put it back into the first equation, and I always use parentheses when I'm replacing a variable with a value. Adding negative 2 to both sides of the equation, I get a negative y equals 3. But that's not solved for y. Y needs to be alone. So if you multiply both sides of the equation by negative 1, you get that y equals negative 3. So the answer to the system of equations is 2, negative 3.